Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Hannalei Elementary School in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. I'm outside of the multi-purpose room where we just had an afternoon program for the AM/PM group. And the assembly today focused on respect and us all being true miracles, right? And so it's so important that we really think about this on a daily basis, because if we forget that we're all worth everything, our value, then we can't really respect ourselves and we can't give that respect to someone else. And so what I love, there's murals all around the school of past classes, past students from different years that have kind of left their mark here forever, with these tile drawings. This one says Hannalei, home of the Stingrays, obviously, right? And it's so cool because when we're talking about respect, we're all different. Everybody had a different idea of what they wanted to leave, in terms of their drawing. And that's the same thing with our differences, right? That we still need to respect everyone no matter what. And a big part of that ties into us seeing ourselves and others for this. We all have, with the lines on our hands, the letter M. Right, with the lines on our hands, I traced one of mine here, right? But with the lines, sometimes we have a faint line that connects it, and at least one on each hand. But this M on each of our palms stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And so through a series of inspirational videos, some positive music that I performed today, a hand motion rap on respect, and a call and response rap at the end of the assembly, at the end of the presentation, just along with some heartfelt stories in general, I was able to reinforce this message of togetherness, of respect, of kindness, of love, of compassion. And the students really got that, right? They saw this example of, what mean words can truly do to someone and the marks that we can leave on someone's heart. But then we started to brainstorm other ways, positive words, positive phrases that could erase some of those marks, right? That we could stop being the bully and start stepping into being the upstander, right? And start really trying to help others and their hearts start to heal. And so several students came up to me after, they said, Mr. Peace, really touched my heart. I'm currently getting bullied myself. What do I do? And I said, look, you need to be able to rise above the hate, right? Not go right back at it and say something that's mean back, because that's just going to get this cycle of violence and of hate, and we're not really going to get anywhere, right? But if you're able to rise above that hate by showing that person love that probably really needs it, that might be hurting in their heart, then maybe we can reverse that trend. Of course, if our physical safety is in jeopardy, we have to tell an adult or a teacher, and it's not tattletaling because it comes down to, your own safety. But the idea is that if we can, not take that personal, whatever they're doing to us or saying to us, know our true worth and value, that our true friends see us for this. There's a lot of opinions out there, but not every opinion matters. If we start to kind of think from that angle, then hopefully we can move past some of that disrespect that was shown to us. And the students, it's so encouraging to see them want to pick up that torch for change, to bring about a better, not only school community, but home community, their friends, their family, their coaches, their teachers. They understand what it means to show respect. Now it's just up to them to go out and live that, right? It's one thing to talk about it, but we have to also walk that walk, right? We have to live that message. We have to include others. We have to choose kindness, and we have to show respect. So thank you so much, everyone, for touching my heart, making everybody feel welcome, myself included, here at Hannalei. Never forget that you guys are all true miracles, right? And remember to just keep sharing that and shining your light to everyone that you meet. As always, have a great rest of the school year. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button you'll see pop up on your screen. You can check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And if you'd like to, you can also visit my website by clicking on the other peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.